Yeah, I guess for question for you, Matt, but like in terms of gross margin, maybe it's something that we get to later. Where do you think most folks should be targeting? Like in terms of like an MSP, kind of middle of fairway MSP doing, call it 1 to 5 million of revenue, has a mix of managed services. Obviously, the margins, the gross profit margin per different line of business is going to be very different, right? Like managed service should be very high versus hardware resale, for example. But any sort of benchmarks that you can share with the audience?
Um, I don't have any on my fingertips right now.
Yeah.
But I can tell you that one general metric I like to use, I call the 1/3 rule. And
Hmm.
that's that out of all the revenue, COGS should make up around 1/3, expenses make up around 1/3, and then your
Okay.
net profit is 1/3. It's the starting point. In
Hmm.
reality, most companies don't make 33% net profit, but it's kind of a starting point to kind of to see where you stand. But if something is significantly off of that 1/3, then there's definitely something to look at.